I'm Pat Jameson. I've had 3 operations and now I'm on the right road towards going home, hopefully. Well, some people in hospital have no visitors at all, so if there's, they come and just have a chat to them. It's good that there are people like that around.
I'm a biology student up at Aberystwyth University.
I feel like I'm back at the start again when I started nursing in the 20s. I was 21 years old.
Like Confucius, like Buddhism, they all tell you do as much as you can.
And it's a fantastic feeling that you get. It's a real high.
Just purely by sitting and listening to somebody's story, or you sharing your story even, because people want to know about you, because that passes the time.
It's just lovely. I mean, for somebody to come in, they say good morning, and they've just got a smile on their face, and they just want to do something for you.
Oh, well, I think they're just they're fantastic, really. It's not often you find people that give up their time to come and help.
During my volunteering, I came into contact with Dr. Khan, one of the paediatricians who specialises in allergy medicine, and he brought up the idea of doing a project together.
It's a really good way of gaining very valuable experience before you go into your line of work.
We have a lot of young people just joined us. They're on the wards and so on, and hopefully that will lead to a career, and so hopefully we'll gain really valuable help here in the hospital.
Volunteering has given me an opportunity to do a really interesting dissertation for my masters.
As my wife has said, it's like giving something back sometimes and just thinking, well, let's do something worthwhile now.
It could be a typical British morning of rain, and I can come out just glowing, feeling that I had a lot. And that has never failed me on any day that I've been here. I always come out feeling really, really good.
I come in here, have a good old laugh, and I've got a very, very good young Polish girl who's 19 years old. And through her being here, she's going college, she's got 3 jobs, she works downstairs, and she's doing great because of being a volunteer here.
You're going to get huge benefits just by feeling that you're doing some good.